Kale, with its vibrant green leaves and robust nutritional profile, stands as a verdant emblem of health, offering an abundance of benefits that extend far beyond its popularity in salads and smoothies. Bursting with vitamins A, C, and K, alongside an impressive array of minerals, kale emerges as a nutritional powerhouse, fortifying the body with essential nutrients crucial for overall well-being. Its antioxidant-rich composition, featuring beta-carotene, quercetin, and sulforaphane, not only combats oxidative stress but also holds potential in cancer prevention and anti-inflammatory effects. Kale's contribution to heart health through fiber, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids aligns with its ability to support bone health, digestive well-being, and blood sugar control. Here are 13 reasons why incorporating kale into your diet can contribute to overall well-being. Rich in nutrients, kale is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium, potassium, and manganese. Antioxidant power. Loaded with antioxidants, including beta-carotene, quercetin, and camphorol, kale helps combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and omega-3 fatty acids in kale contribute to heart health by supporting healthy blood pressure levels and reducing cholesterol. Cancer prevention. Compounds like sulforaphane in kale have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including breast and colon cancer. Bone health. Kale's high calcium and vitamin K content support bone health, aiding in bone mineralization and density. Blood sugar control. Kale's fiber and antioxidants may contribute to better blood sugar control, making it beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Vision support. Kale contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that contribute to eye health and may help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Weight management. Low in calories and high in fiber, kale is a satisfying and nutritious option for those aiming to manage their weight. Immune system support. The vitamin C in kale boosts the immune system, aiding the body in resisting infections. Detoxification. Kale contains compounds that support the body's natural detoxification processes, aiding in the elimination of toxins. Skin health. The combination of vitamins A and C in kale contributes to healthy skin by promoting collagen production and protecting against oxidative stress. Rich in iron. Kale is a good plant-based source of iron, essential for oxygen transport in the blood and preventing anemia. Brain health. The omega-3 fatty acids in kale may support cognitive function and contribute to overall brain health.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.